Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up payment method in the Google Wallet app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Wallet app, and then in the top right corner we find our Google account icon. If we tap on this, then we are going to be presented with this menu where we can tap on tap to pay setup, and here if we tap on set up payment card, the app is going to load, and we can add a card that we want to use in the Google Wallet app. We can add multiple cards, or we can just add one that we want to use. We can switch between them before paying, and yeah, you just enter your card number here and your other details later. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.